This week, Heaven walked into a bar and asked for a bob cut. Look, it's confirmed. It turns out that like Zodwa Wa Vusi, Eskom is not just keeping the lights on at home, it is also trying to take care of its own. This week, Eskom appointed a new general manager to its treasury, while Zodwa Wa Vusi was looking for the general manager to her treasure. And as usual, the EFF, South Africa's very own East, was quick to overreact, making a dombolo by labeling Eskom's decision to appoint Richard Vaughan as anti-transformation, regression. And other big words that Zodwa and I struggle to pronounce. And I mean, like Zodwa, now I'm angry. I want to add my voice and comment to the story. This is one of those issues where I'm like, no. Wait! Look, do I even know what I'm talking about? Or am I going to sound like a lostro? Look, because this is where my level of conversation ends.
It happened July I was gonna be driving by Audi. Then you used my contacts.
Look, I won't pretend what I know anything about Eskom. I don't know. The FF is not impressed with Eskom. That's what I know. Simply because Richard Vaughan is the former CFO of Edcon, and we all know how that story ends. Oh, bloody bad. But they're also angry because there's Mandla Maleka in the story, who acted in the said Eskom position 8 months in September last year to April, this thing we call it, I guess, 2020 movie. And I agree, it feels unfair. It really feels like Mandla Wabatu was acting in a Ferguson's production, dedicated, disciplined, and still his talent and service are not valued. But also, the PAC waiting on this. Wait, the PAC. Do you know the PAC? Do you think my 2000 know the PAC? Look, if you are the 2000 and you know the PAC, you're probably dating someone whose face looks like a scripot or skull part or a still wool. Yeah, it's like the ANC dating the NYDA. It's bad. But before we go to attack, hey, when go to McDonald's, get a Happy Meal, meet someone your age. It's cute. The PAC scenario is not waiting on the issue of transformation when he said that the principle of transformation and empowerment should not be compromised. Because when you compromise that simple principle, then you are basically taking us backward. And by the look of it, it looks like he doesn't want to go back. It looks like he has already been there and came back. And backward is not where we are going. It's not where we should be going. He described Eskom's appointment as a total disregard, a panic, a lack of belief in your people and yourself, but also a lack of positive thinking. It's not taking us anywhere. A reality that as a people, as a country, we have to acknowledge. Don't ask me about Zodwa. I don't want to talk about that one, that slave, that day when I watched that video. Sometimes she thinks she's a gogo, sometimes she thinks she's a Ntombazana. It's confusing. She's confused. She's confusing us. Vusi is confused. Why not Vusi? Like Malume Machansi once said. But like Malume Machanga. Like he once said, Di mama won. Monchoruma.
Hey guys, I'm with my boyfriend.